Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormatch.com. In this session, we'll be discussing about draft rendering. Rendering is the process of creating a raster image based on the 3D objects in a scene. It helps you to calculate the appearance of the materials attached to the object along with the scenes associated with it. You can also give environmental conditions to check how the object looks. Rendering plays a key role in producing the exact image of the object. So as you go on increasing the rendering quality, the time taken for rendering also increases. So it is always better to do a draft rendering before doing the detailed rendering. Now let's see the draft rendering procedures in the software. Consider I have the object like this. It consists of a box, a cone and a sphere. Now, if you want to get the rendered view of this object in the corresponding view by which you are looking at, you can just directly type RR and press enter. This will enable you the render window where the object is being rendered in the default condition. This is known as draft rendering in the software. Now let me close this option. You can also find the render option in the visualize tab like this and go on to the render section like this. Basically the preset of render will be medium and the size will be very less. So I recommend you to do a draft rendering before doing the detailed high definition rendering of the object. This will help you to save time and adjust the view according to your need. Now let me change the view of parallel to the corresponding perspective view like this. Correct. Now again when I do the rendering, it will give you much more realistic image. Right. You can also change your view by looking the object like this and do the rendering according to that. If it seems that the object is very small, you can close